Welcome to Estancia Enclave. Watch and finish this video to be a one happy homeowner. Located in a prime, flood-free location, Estancia Enclave is surrounded by schools, malls and supermarkets, and other major establishments. Introducing our brand new house and lot. Discover our pre-selling duplex twin homes located at Antero Soriano Road, Barangay Halayhay, Tansa, Cavite. Let's take a tour.